To easily export your PowerPoint presentation so it can be used in the BravoZone, we need to create JPEG images. And to do that, take your presentation, go to File, Save As, and instead of a PowerPoint presentation, go down and look for JPEG. Click Save. Which slides do you want to export? We're going to say All, and we're all done. What I'm going to show you here, you can do in Slides, but you can also do it in Preview and Summary Slides, or any place there's an option for an image. So I'm going to choose this unique feature called Slides, and I'm going to add PowerPoint slide, navigate to where I saved my images, and choose the slide I want. So I'm going to go ahead and get my introductory slide. Well, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.